Our latest run of the American model shows a massive nor'easter for the mid-Atlantic and New England, and we are watching a 3-day severe weather outbreak from the central plains all the way out east. Let's get into the latest updates. First off, we're looking at potential blizzard conditions for portions of the Midwest over the next couple days. And yes, our latest American model run does show a strong nor'easter this weekend. We're watching Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, and South Dakota for snow tomorrow into Wednesday. We could see 3 to 5 inches in Kansas City, although we're going to have a lot of mixing down here, so you might see the lower end. Omaha, we could definitely see blizzard conditions, and really anywhere between 5 to 8 inches. You could see more than that locally. North and western Iowa, I would say 7 to 9 inches is possible. 5 to 8 in the Twin Cities, and then north and western Wisconsin, we could see over a foot in some areas. Again, some of these models want to bring this low pressure down to 978, 979 millibars, meaning we could get 2 to 3 inches of snow an hour in some of these areas with strong winds. So we already have some blizzard warnings in portions of Iowa and Nebraska. I'd expect that to extend up into the northeast as we move forward in time. Our latest American model run, yes, does want to put a large swath of snow through the Ohio Valley and wants to absolutely bury portions of the mid-Atlantic and New England. Here's our system to the north, diving down at the right angle to pull this system right up the coast here and provide, this is one of the most important parts, all of that cold air to make sure this is snow along the coast and not just rain. But notice how the European model has this playing out. This piece of energy to the north is actually outrunning that piece of energy to the south that would eventually end up being our nor'easter. What this does is basically just compress the storm and throw it off the coast. It doesn't provide that cold air, so this could end up just being a moderate low pressure and rain moving off the coast around the Carolinas. So what do I think is going to happen? And honestly, you might not like this answer, but it's anyone's guess right now. I will tell you this though, within the next 48 hours, we will probably start to see at least some sort of consensus between our globals, giving us a signal of if that piece of energy to the north is going to slow down or continue at that angle and speed that the European model currently has it at. So believe me, these next few days are crucial in determining if we're going to have this monster nor'easter in the middle of March. Getting into our severe weather, Wichita, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and Dallas-Fort Worth, you guys need to be prepared. We have the potential tonight through tomorrow morning to see some pretty powerful tornadoes. Now, it's not guaranteed, the setup isn't perfect, but you can see the Storm Prediction Center does have a slight and enhanced risk down in this area, so it should be taken seriously, and everyone in this area should have a way to get weather alerts, especially through the night. Moving into tomorrow and Wednesday morning, we need to watch out down here in the deep south. This is a dangerous moderate risk for wind right here. This includes portions of Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. We also have a 10% hatch risk for tornadoes in this region. What does a hatched area mean? Well, that means you could see EF2 plus tornadoes and potentially long track tornadoes. These are typically associated with stronger storms like supercells and can be very damaging. This shouldn't be taken lightly. Again, have a way to get weather alerts tomorrow. And for you farther out east, it's going to be into early Wednesday. We also have a slight and marginal risk for severe weather along the eastern seaboard on Wednesday. This is really going to be going on Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon, but we'll dive a little bit deeper into this tomorrow. I will be going live tonight around 9 o'clock to answer all of your questions on the severe weather and winter storms coming up. I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every single day and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.